Welcome to this tutorial on how to segment an image using Melage. Today I'll walk you through the process of image segmentation in the software, focusing on using various tools and settings for precision and customization. First of all, we need to load an image. I'm loading this MRI image. I'll show you how to navigate the segmentation tab and select the appropriate environment for our test. Okay, although we can segment here, but we prefer this tab MRI segmentation when we have the coronal view, sagittal view, and axial view. So as we are segmenting on this image, so we are selecting sagittal view. For detailed work, we'll select this view, and I'll demonstrate you how to zoom in. We can use Ctrl and middle mouse to zoom in on the image. To focus on these areas that we need to segment. Now I need to activate the color. Here you can see the combined color is activated. When it's combined, you cannot segment nothing. Even if you are choosing the correct tool for the segmentation, you cannot segment. I'm going to select, for example, contour, and I'm going to segment something, so nothing appears. So I need to select something different than this index of combine. So as this is thalamus and I already have a label for thalamus, I'm using this index and I'm activating it. When I'm activating this label, so the thalamus appears there. Now I can segment thalamus. I have different tools here. I have this tool and this contour tool and this contour for with repetition. Okay, so first of all, I'm starting with this and I'm going to segment thalamus. You can see it's very easy. Okay, after that you can see the segmented area. I can intensify the segmentation or no. So I can segment this thalamus area by this, and I can use this tool to repeat the segmentation that appears on this when whatever I am segmenting on this slide appears on next slides or on previous slices. So for example, I'm saying until 5 previous slices from 109, I'm going to have the same segmentation. I'm going to repeat the segmentation from here. Okay, you can see that okay, it appears, the same thing appears for 5 times. Then if I need to improve the segmentation, or if I made a mistake, I can use this tool, the eraser, which is easily can erase the details from image. If I use the erase many times, I can do the same thing, for example from 5, and I can erase things, or I can just apply the same things there. So as I am increasing the volume, so you can see that the volume index, or that shows the volume of the segmented area, 0.76 cubic centimeters, is also increasing. Okay, then I can introduce you more tools such as the circle, because if I'm using the circle tool, I can use the widget for marker widget and increase the circle radius by this. So you can see I can increase it. Then I can use this tool to segment the areas that I am interested in. For example, here I am doing it like this, and it starts, and interactively it segments the areas that have the same colors, okay, or the same patterns that appears there. And then if I need to introduce a new index that is not available, I can add it. I can add a new one. So how can I do it? I can select from here a color. So I'm saying I'm going to select, let's choose this color. Okay, I need to select a index, would be a number. Here is for example 4, that is not up here, and I'm going to select a name CC corpus chaos for this. Okay, and you can see it appears here, and it has also been activated. So I can use this tool to have a different color, segmentation with different color. Okay, if I made a mistake, so I can use undo, tools undo, to get back to the previous version. Okay, another tool, useful tool, we said okay, here we can do the segmentation like this, no, in this way. But another useful tool from the marker, if I increase the marker size, my segmentation will appear like this, which makes it easy to segment the areas that I'm interested in. You can see that easily can segment the areas. So the activated volume of here is like this, 0.47. After finishing, so everything, like, let's just remove this part that was additional, so it was not from here. It cannot be removed because it's not been activated. If I activate this here, you can see I can remove it, and it does not remove the other parts that are not activated. So you are just removing the desired part. Okay, now I can save these results in a new file. I can use here segmented MRI image, or I can use export segmented MRI image. I'm going to put a name for it, CC thalamus, and the result would be saved. So that's so much easy, no, to do segmentation. Actually, segmentation in Melage is a robust process that can be tailored extensively with the right tools. By the end of this tutorial, you are familiar with the essential functions needed to perform the effective segmentation. Remember, each steps and tools usage can be adjusted based on your specific project needs, ensuring flexibility and precision in your imaging work. Thank you for choosing Melage, and I hope this tutorial helped you streamline your segmentation tasks effectively.